Welcome to the Unity tutorial where we are going to learn how to design a room. First of all, we create our project name with room. We create the project, and in this project we are going to place a painting in the wall. Okay, when Unity is loaded, you can see here we have a main camera and a directional light. This is where we are going to place all of our objects, the room. So we start creating a cube. This cube is going to be the floor. So we go to the right, and in the scale we put 1000 in the x-axis and another 1000 in z-axis. So we have a room of 1000 per 1000. As you can see, it's a very big floor. Now we select the main camera, and in the main camera on the right you can see that we are going to see the floor. So we adjust the camera and you can see now the camera focus on the floor. We change the name of this cube to floor. And now we are going to start building the wall. We change the name of the cube to north wall. It's going to be the north wall, and in this time we are going to give the X scale to 10,000 units, and in the Y we give a value of 2,000 units. This is going to be the height of the wall. Now we move the wall in the y-axis 1000, and in the z-axis we move it to minus 5000. As you can see, now the wall is far from the floor, so we have to adjust the size of the floor to fit with the wall. So we have to change the units of the floor. How? We add 1 0 more to the scale. So we have now a floor of 10,000 per 10,000. This is the area of the floor. Okay, and now we continue building the room of our virtual museum. So we create a new cube and we give the name of south wall. We change the number in the scale, so we give it the number of 10,000 in the x-axis and also 2,000 in the y-axis. We have to move up this wall 1000 in the y-axis, and we have to move 5000 in the z-axis. Now we have the south wall. As you can see, you can change the view pressing the right button of the mouse. Now we are going to create another wall. This is going to be the east wall. And now we are going to change the size of the wall. You know, again we write 10,000 in the x scale, the x-axis, and 2,000 in the y-axis. As you can see, we have to put this in 0, and this value also 0, and also 0. And now we rotate 90 degrees, so we rotate the wall, and also we move in the x-axis to minus 5000, and we have to go up with our wall 1000. Finally, we start creating the west wall. So here we change the name to west wall and we change the values 10,000 and 2,000. But now we have to put all these values into 0, and also as we did before, okay, this value to 0 and also rotate the wall. Okay, so we are going to move it in the x-axis 5,000 and also 1,000 in the y-axis. You can see that we have built our room in our virtual museum. And now we are going to learn how to place a painting in the wall. For that, we place a canvas in first place. This canvas also contains a panel, so we insert a panel. The panel is the place where the painting is going to be. Now we select the canvas and we change the render mode to wall space. So now we can move this canvas around the 3D wall. We move it in the z-axis near the wall with this value. And now we are going to place the painting inside the panel. So the panel is inside the canvas. So here we go to assets and we create a new folder. It's going to be named as pictures, and we are going to place inside all the pictures. This folder contains the painting of Las Meninas. Now we have the Meninas. Okay. Now we change the texture type to sprite 2D. Now we press the button apply, and you can see here there is a sign that shows us that this painting, this picture, we can assign this picture to the panel. So we drag the painting to the source image. Now we zoom it and we can see the painting, but here there is a transparency, so we put the value to the 255 and we can see the painting really good. After changing the color, we set the native size, and now we copy the width of the panel to the canvas. And also the height of the panel to the canvas. So the panel and the canvas have the same size. And now, as you can see, the panel is not inside of the canvas, so we have to place the panel inside the canvas with these numbers that are the half of the size of the picture. Now in the canvas we adjust the y-axis and position the picture, the painting, in the wall. And finally we have our painting in the room of our virtual museum.